You drink it every single morning. You rely on it to wake up, to work, to survive. But instead of laser focus, you get a racing heart, scattered thoughts, and a brutal crash by 2 p.m. Why?
Because the way you consume caffeine is biologically backwards. You're using it as a panic button for your brain, flooding your system with cortisol. But there is a hidden alternative.
Deep in the highlands of Ethiopia, a 1,000-year-old ritual holds the forgotten secret to superhuman cognitive focus. It's called Buna, and it has absolutely nothing to do with buying expensive beans. Modern neuroscience is just now discovering what Ethiopian communities have known for centuries. It is the exact sequence of sensory triggers before the first sip that permanently alters how your brain processes caffeine.
Today, you are going to learn how to weaponize this ancient ritual. I will show you the 3 exact phases of the Bana ceremony that naturally hack your nervous system, sharpen your memory, and eliminate brain fog forever. You don't need to travel to Africa to do this. You just need to unlearn everything you thought you knew about your morning brew. Ready to unlock the ultimate cognitive edge? Let's dive in. The cortisol trap versus the parasympathetic anchor. Let's look at your current morning. Alarm goes off, panic. You stumble to the kitchen, press a button, or buy a paper cup on your commute. You throw hot liquid down your throat while scrolling through negative news. In doing this, you are combining a powerful central nervous system stimulant, caffeine, with environmental stress. Your brain immediately enters fight or flight mode. Your amygdala fires up. Your focus narrows dangerously. You aren't focused, you are just panicking faster.
Now, look at the Ethiopian Buna ceremony. It takes 2 to 3 hours. But wait, before you click away thinking you don't have time for that, pay attention to the mechanism. The ritual begins not with boiling water, but with the raw green beans. The beans are roasted live, right in front of you. This is the first neurological hack, olfactory priming. As the beans turn brown and crack, the host walks the pan around the room, wafting the smoke toward the guests. The scent of roasting coffee actually activates your parasympathetic nervous system. It physically lowers your heart rate. Your brain produces alpha waves, the exact brainwaves associated with deep relaxation and peak learning. You are telling your body, "We are safe," before you even introduce the stimulant. You are building a runway for the caffeine to land smoothly. The auditory rhythm of focus. Next comes the grinding, but no electric blades are used here. The beans are crushed by hand using a wooden mortar and pestle. Thump, thump, thump. This isn't just about preserving flavor compounds. The repetitive, rhythmic sound creates an auditory anchor. Think of it like a metronome for your mind. Modern psychology calls this entrainment, where your brainwaves begin to sync with a predictable external rhythm. By focusing on the rhythmic sound of the grinding, you enter a micro-meditative state. By the time the coffee actually touches water, your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for complex problem-solving and memory, is fully activated and free of static. The jabena and the mineral hack. The ground coffee is poured into a specific clay pot with a long neck called a jabena. This isn't a French press or a metal espresso machine. The porous clay of the jabena interacts with the brewing water. Science shows that brewing in traditional clay vessels can actually increase the mineral content of the liquid by 15 to 20%. You are extracting not just caffeine, but magnesium and calcium from the clay itself, minerals critical for neurotransmitter function and memory retention. The rule of 3. Abol, Tona, Baraka. Finally, the pouring. The coffee is served in 3 distinct rounds, and this is where the true cognitive magic happens. The first cup is called a bowl. Adabol is the strongest. It pulls 70% of the active compounds. This is the catalyst. It wakes up the central nervous system.
But remember, because your body is in a parasympathetic state from the roasting and grinding, there is no spike, just a clean, vertical climb in alertness. Then, water is added back to the grounds for the second cup, Tona. Tona extracts the remaining 20% of the nuanced, lighter compounds. It acts as a bridge, sustaining the caffeine half-life in your bloodstream without pushing you into anxiety. And the third cup, Baraka, meaning blessing, it contains just 10% of the compounds. It's a gentle taper. By breaking the consumption into 3 stages over time, you create a slow release effect. You completely bypass the cortisol crash that ruins your afternoon. But the most profound element of the Buna ritual isn't what's in the cup. It's the smoke in the air. During the entire ceremony, frankincense is burned on the coals. Recent pharmacological studies have shown that insensilyl acetate, a compound in frankincense, actively lowers anxiety and acts as a powerful neuroprotective agent. You are literally inhaling a natural nootropic that synergizes with caffeine to lock your brain into intense, calm focus. How to hack this tomorrow morning? You don't need a clay jabena or 2 free hours to use this biology. You just need to steal the framework. Tomorrow, stop using the coffee maker as a rushed tool. Buy whole beans. Grind them yourself. Take 10 seconds to close your eyes and deeply inhale the aroma of the grounds before adding water. You are actively triggering the parasympathetic anchor. Listen to the water pour. Drink it slowly, in stages, over an hour. Do not scroll your phone. Transform your caffeine consumption from a panic response into a sensory ritual. Anchor your brain in calm, and the caffeine will turn you into a focused machine. Your memory will sharpen, your anxiety will drop, and your afternoons will belong to you again. But unlocking the perfect morning is only half the battle. If your brain's internal clock is broken, even the perfect coffee won't save you. To truly master your cognitive energy, you need to fix your circadian rhythm. Click the video on screen right now to discover the 3-step military protocol for perfect sleep. I'll see you there.